Well, if I take it for granted that you have a lot of American subscribers in my YouTube channel, um, even though I don't necessarily want that. However, let's take this opportunity to teach you, my American subscribers, something cool. So this here is, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a, a very common dish in Brazil. I don't know how common it is in other countries, but it's very common here in Brazil. And it's mashed bananas with milk, and it's exactly as it sounds. You just take some bananas, right? You can take as many you want. Okay, it took you 5, but you can do it with 3 or 4. And you want to, like, once you take these bananas, you want to cut them all in horizontal slices, like this. Now that you have cut all the bananas in horizontal slices, what you want to do is smash them using a fork. Just press down on them for with some force, and then they'll turn into paste like this. Be a bit careful so that they don't slip out of the plate. So by the end of it, it's gonna look more or less like this. Once you start finishing mashing, you can still see some like visible banana pieces here. That means you probably should mash it again and mix it up again. Now this is looking better. I know it's not very appetizing. It kind of looks like vomit a little bit, but don't let that trick you into thinking it tastes bad. It actually tastes great, especially when you get a bit of milk. Just drop it on top of it. You can use a spoon if you like, but I just drop it. And now that you've dropped the milk, take the same thing you used to mash the banana, and you want to mix it up with the other with the paste. You can tell it's time to stop mixing it up when the banana and the milk fuse together, and you have this like kind of like white-ish glue-like substance in regards to the banana. So now you can just eat it. It's one of those foods that I like it because it's not like very heavy. You're just eating bananas with milk, but it tastes great. It's just very sweet. Tastes a little bit tropical-esque because of the bananas. And just really fucking good food. You have to use powder milk for this, or like blend it. I guess you could blend the bananas in with the milk, but powder milk works best. So yeah, next time you want to try and experience something interesting, mashed bananas with milk. Tastes pretty good. I'll give it a 8 out of 10.